Hello guys! In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can repost Instagram story. So without further ado, let's begin. So now to start, open your Instagram app. And then what we're going to do is to select a story that we want to repost. For example, this one. So now what we're going to do is to take a screenshot of the story that we want to repost. For example, this right here. And then after that, what we're going to do is to message the owner of that picture, and then we will going to ask for the permission if we can repost his or her post. Now, for example, she or he said no, then we will not be going to post that picture. And then after that, we will going to create a story. Just tap on this add button. And then select the picture that we want to post. You can add sticker to add to your post. And then just tap on OK. And that's it. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.